What to eat after food poisoning. While you should avoid any food item or drink that takes a long time to break down when recovering from food poisoning, you should certainly look to food items or drinks that can be broken down quickly. One of these, of course, is water. Dehydration often follows food poisoning. If you are dizzy or do not have a lot of energy, it means you are dehydrated, and you must hydrate yourself after suffering from food poisoning. Continuing on the topic of fluids, fruit juice is acceptable to drink after suffering from food poisoning. Just remember to drink them in extremely small portions and do all you can to make sure the juice is freshly squeezed and not pasteurized, since pasteurization involves additives. A few things that you can eat while recovering from food poisoning are food items that are easy for your stomach to break down. Grains and bread-type food items are perfect for this, since they are composed of simple carbohydrates and are very easy to break down. Although they are more processed than they should be, cereals and pastry-type food items are indeed easier to break down than most, and you can consume these after suffering from food poisoning. Small fruits are also acceptable, since you can control the portions. Grapes and raisins are effective after suffering from food poisoning, provided you keep the portion sizes very, very small. These are a few things that you can and should consume when recovering from food poisoning. Remember to keep your portion sizes very small and allow your stomach to re-familiarize itself when it comes to nourishment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.